kept it in your pillow all the same. My high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, a weatherman over woods, but I could never shoot down my high-flying bird. The white